Hello, yarn dolls. Welcome back to Crochet Tutorials and Reviews. Today we are going over how to double crochet. We already went over how to chain, so I got my chain created here. This chain or this project is for a cat hat that I am making. So we're going to go ahead on and get started. Since we are double crocheting, I do skip the first the first back loop, and then I go into the second back loop. So you yarn over in that back loop right there. You put your hook through. You pull up some yarn. You pull it through the loop. You yarn over again. You pull through 2 loops. Yarn over last time. Pull through the last 2. And that's how you double crochet. Again, yarn over. Let's focus for you all. We're going to yarn over and we're going to put it in through that back loop since this is the starter chain. And we're going to grab that yarn, pull it through the loop, yarn over. So we have pulled through 2, and then we're going to pull through the last 2. It's pretty simple. Now we're going to go over how to actually double crochet in each stitch because we did the back loops first. So again, we're going to yarn over. I pull it through both stitches instead of one back loop, and then we continue to yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through the last 2. So again, we're going to yarn over. We're going to go in the full stitch, you see, and then we're going to yarn over again, pull through 2, and pull through 2 again. So I hope this helps you all. Bye.